YouTube episode number 115. Sanskriti Kolkata, myself Lalia Dattagupta, and today's episode is on variety of kotas, and there is also a lovely Doria kotas block printed, and then also I'll show you some Matka Banarasis. So keep watching, keep supporting. Today's episode is on soft, lightweight, beautiful kotas in variety of fabrics. Kota fabric, but there will be variety of designs and concepts in kota. So product number 1 is Banaras kota, Zari kota with silver zari weave. So see, this is a beautiful white and pink color kota with tissue zari weave in silver Banarasi zari buta, and this is the beautiful silver woven pallu, and here comes the blouse piece in white and pink. So till here is the sari pallu, the rest part is the blouse piece. This is product number 1, and this price is 2,990 rupees. Soft, lightweight and very rich looking because it has tissue weaving in it. Throughout there will be buta, and since it's white and the pink color is also a very fresh color, so it will have a very nice sober look, ideal for day and also evening. So even for gifting, this is a very pretty sari. 2,990 rupees only, a grand zari kota from Banaras. Number 2, this is also kota from Banaras, but along with this we have a resham border, resham woven border along with zari woven border. So see, this part is the resham weave and the upper part is the rani color, also resham weave along with a narrow zari weave. The lower part will have a broader zari weave in nakshi. Contrast pink chanderi blouse piece with the border. So this is the blouse piece. The sari is in red. We have a rani color body also instead of red. There are 2 colors available in this concept, and this is the beautiful sari in red. So 2 colors available in this. The red which I am showing, we have a rani color also. All lightweight, very sober, and it has a beautiful fall. It will not be stiff, with blouse piece in contrast rani. This is the sari, and this is product number 2, and price is 2550, 2,550 rupees, economical range and very comfortable. Now comes again zari kota, tissue weaving all over in gold. So gold tissue kota with gold zari weave. So this is our always favorite concept, gold. We love gold, and the very beautiful shimmer that it has with all over weave. It's a very sober looking one, not too loud, but at the same time it is very rich. 3,600 rupees, 3600. Just take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp to any one of the number, and after the payment, when you give your address, give it in one message along with the phone number, the shipping address, the phone number. Please provide the details for shipping, and we will courier it to you. This is the blouse piece. Just check out the blouse piece, the weave in the blouse piece with the border. It's a gold blouse piece in the gold sari. It's beautiful, the weave, the range, keeping the range in mind. It's a very gorgeous looking, very traditional zari kota, and with this you can always see, this is the close up of the sari. It has all over jal weave. So with this you can always mix and match our designer Zardozi blouses, mirror work, hand mirror in hot pink. It's still 38 chest, 34 to 38 we have sizes, and price is 4300. So the front, the back, it's fully embroidered mirror work, hand mirror work, Zardozi work in Ari. So this is the blouse piece. You can take only the blouse, you can take only the sari also, both possible. Front and back. See, both are with very fine mirror work done. So with this hot pink and gold, the look obviously changes totally, and you'll have a very party wear look along with this sari. Now coming to, it's basically not kota though, it's a linen, tissue linen in gold. See, this body part is in matte gold, the border part is in a brighter gold. So that way it gives a very subtle but at the same time gorgeous look. Number 4 and price is only 2200. See, not too loud, at the same time it has the sheen in it. See the lovely zari border. It's just dhala zari border. Beautiful sari, and it's all over the same. You can wear it with any of your designer blouses. You can wear it with gorgeous junk jewelries. You can wear it with contrast jewelries, multicolored stone, anything, any blouse or jewelry you want to highlight. This is the sari for it. Yes, it has a woven stripe blouse piece in gold again. So this is the sari. With this, again you can wear it. I myself have worn many times the same blouse. It looks very grand. See, this is the blouse, Upara blouse in peacock blue, dual tone color. So with this, the sari is looking very pretty. See, the sleeves will have these pleats, gold pleats, all over weaving in zari, dual tone peacock green blue color combination. This is the back side. So we have sizes till 44, 34 to 44 sizes available in this blouse, and the blouse is priced rupees 2,900 rupees is the blouse price, and the sari is 2,200. So lightweight, very comfortable for summer. At the same time, it has a formal look also. Now coming to Baswara zari weave. Again, gold and resham weaving, jamdani all over. Baswara is a byproduct of linen and cotton. It has a texture like, ghicha like texture, but it's very comfortable and soft. This is the back side, beautiful weave. Price is 3,850 rupees. So this is the sari. Throughout it will have the weave, and this is the woven blouse piece. Lovely gold woven blouse. Just check out the jamdani weave and the narrow woven border, both side border. This is the pallu, and the price is 3,850. As I said, it's a beautiful woven sari, very comfortable, reasonable range. And with this again, I have just mix and matched with this another party wear blouse in black, handwork, front and back. Just see the work in it. It's absolutely designer blouse with cups, and size till 38, 34 to 38. There is margin inside. It's a back open blouse, front work. Just check the work in this. It's with pearl work, mirrors, very gorgeous rich looking blouse. The latkans will be in the back, and the price is 4,300 for the blouse, and the sari I've already told you. So it can be purchased separately also. Now coming to another silver zari kota, silver weaving in grey silver rani color combination. We have added some value addition like the piping and the tassels. This is the sari. 3250 only, 3250. It will have a bit of ghicha and silver weave in the pallu. Once we confirm your product, your booking, we'll give you the business account bank details. Once the payment is done, we will courier it to you in 2 to 3 working days. Additional blouses needs to be stitched, we'll do it for you. There is a double blouse for this. One is the Rani color silk blouse, which you can make the body, and the sleeves you can make it with this sleeves with the material of the blouse, because it is the running fabric for the blouse. So you can mix and match, or you can make 2 blouses. The mother-daughter can use it separately. So one Rani blouse piece and one sari blouse piece. It's fully woven polka with Rani and silver. And one more thing, in this blouse we have this beautiful little embroidery also to match with the sari. So this is the embroidery in the sleeves of this product. It's beautiful sari, matching blouse piece with the embroidery. Oh, did I tell you the sari price? In case I miss out, just check on the screenshot. All the details, the description, all the details is mentioned in the, I can't find the tag anyway. Just check out the screenshot, the prices will be mentioned, and that is the final price, whatever is mentioned in the screenshot. Check out the description part. Proper GST invoice will be sent with each product. Zari kota with chicken work all over. Banarasi woven Ganga Jamuna border. Upper part will be peach, the lower part will be orange, lower part will be pink color. 4500 with all over thread work in, and see the thread work, it's in peacock weave. These are machine work. Peacock woven all over in single dhaga. Just see the neatness of the work, how cute the embroidery is, and it's all over. We have two, you can check out our Facebook page. The link is already going. Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, where the products will be uploaded, the still pictures will be uploaded, the next video notifications will be given there. So you have to just like the page. There's also the Insta page, Lalia at Sanskriti, so you can check out both the pages for more options and more products. So this is the sari with the blouse piece. Also check out our WhatsApp status. Every day we are uploading new products and available products in the WhatsApp status, so you can just have a look at those. This is the blouse piece. It's a pink color with the woven border. It's a very pretty piece. Soft, lightweight, gorgeous looking. Again, another tissue kota. This is number 8. It's in grayish color. Just list out the front and the back. Here is the blouse piece. First comes the blouse piece. This part is the blouse piece, and then comes the sari. The upper part will have this woven border in temple. The lower part will have the temple border along with this threadwork border. This is the pallu part. Here is the pallu, it will have the zari weave only, and here is the blouse piece. So this is the pallu. Price 3,550 rupees, product number 8. It's a beautiful shade actually. It's an earthy shade, but because of the shimmer, because of the tissue, it's looking so gorgeous. And with earth tone, the zari weave looks really rich. And see the border and the embroidery. The overall look is very uncommon. This is the sari. Again, very lightweight and very sober. At the same time, very elegant, because see, I'll show you closely the work. The color, this is an onion pink shade, pale rose pink. See the color. Sundays we are closed. Monday to Saturday 10 to 8 p.m. we are open, both the branches. 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. It's near the Citizen Park. And the other one is near Ballygunge Railway Station. 12 Jamil Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. So you can visit any of the branches, or of course both, because products will be different from each other. 3,550 rupees. So this is a pale rose pink color. Tissue kota with chicken work in the daman and running blouse. But better to wear a gold or a, the same skin, this pinkish color plain blouse, and just attach the border, because kota blouse, I don't think they'll, better to wear a plain color blouse. It look much more prettier. And the sleeves, of course, you can make the kota transparent sleeves. Quality is very nice, but after stitching, people say that it may not last if it's too tight, and then you have to give the interlocking. So better to make a plain solid blouse and use the fabric as in the sleeves. Number 10. Now what I was telling about matka Banarasi. These are semi matkas. These are not silk ones. Blended matka, but very good quality, because you can check out the range. It's soft. It's in monotone, very soft fabric, very comfortable, and it's in dark navy blue. See, it's a single color with zari weave. Very smart looking saree. You can wear it with many mix and match blouses also. See, even with this blouse, it's looking nice, or any of your contrast blouses. Price is only 2250. Product number 102250. It's in dark navy blue color. It has a texture and it has a running blouse piece, ideal for gifting also. Budget friendly, but at the same time very comfortable fabric. See, that's running blouse, so better not to cut the blouse. Keep the saree long and wear it with, you must be having so many designer blouses or contrast, anything, any contrast Banarasi woven blouse or a printed blouse or a katha blouse, which we've shown in previous episodes also. It looked very nice, and this is only 2250 in navy blue. So this goes product number 10, and here the mannequin I've made. The mannequin is wearing a kota also. 2850. The price is 2,850 rupees. So see, it has a woven, resham woven, no zari, resham woven pallu and border. It has a Manipuri style in this actually, and this is the blouse with this, the blouse piece. Only 2850. I need to give very for mothers, for in-laws, for sisters. Beautiful saree, lightweight, and it looks rich also. And those who doesn't want to avoid zari, wants to avoid zari, for them this is a very nice option. So price, as I said, is 2850. These kind of kotas are also available. And see, the mannequin is wearing a ready-made sleeveless padded blouse. 2,000 rupees. Sizes available. So few more colors in that range. This is number 11. 2250 again. So that was navy. Now here comes a beautiful golden yellow, sunflower yellow. Lovely shade. So for haldi ceremony also, somebody can wear it with a red blouse. It look very, very pretty, yellow and red. Product number 112250. Even bottle green will look nice. And printed blouses, embroidered blouses. Lovely piece, and lightweight, soft, and it has a beautiful fall actually. See, I'll just do the pleats, and yes, the blouses along with the sari. So see the fall, it's so pretty. If it wouldn't have been good quality, then this beautiful fall wouldn't be there. So this is a, you can see the fall, how well it's coming. And of course, it's very, very skin friendly. Now that was in monotone solid colors. Now we've done some dyeing in these. So this has a contrast lower border. Daman border will be contrast. The pallu will be contrast. And yes, the blouse will be contrast. Parrot green and emerald green color combination. Sea green and parrot green. See, the border also changes. It has a broader border and totally woven Banarasi. Price, same price, 2250 only, 2250 rupees. Now in this I'll show you how it looks when you drape it, because it has one side dyeing. That's the most smartest part. Since it has one part dyeing, the other part will be in contrast color. So your blouse will be here and the lower part will be this. Wow. In this range, this is a lovely piece. 2250, parrot green and sea green color combination. Matka Banarasi. The blouse piece. This is 12B. Same sari, the color changes, same material. It is peachish orange with Rani. Magenta and peach color combination. This is a very, beautiful for youngsters also to look very pretty. 2250. Pallu. You can, collect these because puja is coming. For puja gifting also these will be very nice. Even to gift brides in your range. So if you have this kind of budget, this will be a good gift for your loved ones. See the Rani color blouse piece. Gorgeous. And here is the blouse. Charcoal black and Rani. So see, in 2250 range and the combinations, the dyeing, the concept, it's really gorgeous. So you see, we have range starting from the cotton ones which we sell are 1800 starting range till 25,000, that range. So see, Sanskriti has a wide range of products. So for that, to view all kind of products, please subscribe to the channel. Sanskriti Kolkata YouTube channel, the Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page. Regular we are showing variety of fabrics, variety of ranges and variety of materials, designs, concepts, menswear, churidar, dupattas, kurtis, chicken work, menswear, lots of more designs. So just subscribe to the channel and then you can understand the variety of products we upload, and you can be produce these kind of materials and the saris. So this is in black and Rani. Same price, 2250, product number 13. Here is the blouse contrast. So against this upper part, since it's in black, you'll wear this Rani blouse. It look really pretty. Make this blouse only. Look very nice. Now coming to Resham weave. This seems like it's silver zari, but no, it's fully Resham weaving. It's Tanchui weaving. It's a beautiful sober sari. See, grey color with Resham woven border buta. All over buta. in slate color. The pallu. Again lightweight, soft. The basic fabric is linen chanderi. And here is the blouse piece. This is also in resham weave, no zari. Fully woven tanchoi blouse piece. See the beautiful fall of the sari and the look of the product. Very smart with blouse piece. The same thing I have in navy also. Yes, the price is 2,990 rupees, 2,990. So this episode is on very economical range woven products. Navy, that was slate, this is in navy. This is 14B. So this look is also very smart because there are no other colors except for the contrast resham weave, and this is the tanchoi woven blouse. Now coming to Chanderi, Resham Chanderi Jamdani weave 3850. See the multicolor Jamdani weave, very sober. All over weave. This is antique zari woven border, pallu, and the blouse also in weave. This is the blouse piece. Product number 15, 3850, 3,850 rupees. Product number 15, Resham Jamdani in off-white color, creamish color. Throughout it will have this weave, Jamdani weave. Product of Kashi. Actually, I have a soft corner for Kashi. So this is from there, beautiful, very intricate weave, and the range is also, I said, 3850 only. Number 16. Similar one, that was an antique zari, this is in gold zari. Peach color. Dual tone, peach pink, Jamdani. Number 16, 3850, number 16, this is the pallu. This is the blouse. Here is the blouse piece. See the Jamdani weave. Very sober combination actually. We haven't given any green or blues. It's in purple and Rani. You know, basically it's tone on tone weave. That's why it's looking so different. Lightweight and pocket friendly also. 3850. Resham Jamdani in peach pink color. Now this is another lovely shade in grey tone. It's a greyish green tone. Since it's dual tone, exact shade is very difficult to say, because in this one light I'm seeing it's greenish tone, and one side it's showing greyish tone. So that's it, because it's two tone, but basically it's greyish color. This also has a lovely Jamdani weave all over. Pallu 3850, same price. Blouse, and these are very long lasting actually. These hardly go, you just have to sometimes polish, normal dry clean sometimes, and sometimes polish. Actually these very minimum maintenance. Now something that even I am wearing, this is though in Maheshwari. Rajasthani traditional printing, zari border. Beautiful block print, very traditional. This is the pallu. 3250, product number 18, 3250 rupees. Zari woven border, narrow zari border, and these look very smart on wearing for teachers and for corporate wear also. And this is traditional but at the same time very gorgeous. And see the blouse piece, vegetable, all vegetable colors used. I'm loving the smell of the the dye. It's really nice. This is the sari, very smart looking. Paisley block in indigo and maroon. Even the blouse piece. $19. Black border. This has a foil print on the vegetable print also. So this so soft. This is a little bit of gold we've added, but this is looking very gorgeous on the block. See the traditional pallu. 3990, 3990 rupees. All vegetable colors from Rajasthan. And this is the printed blouse piece. This has a silk feel, beautiful fabric. Those who will get these, they'll really love the fabric. Number 20, 3250. All the prints will be different from each other, though the color combination may be same, because this color looks very pretty actually. We love this color combination in this kind of block. It's a beautiful color combination. See the print, the striped pallu, 3250 striped pallu. And of course the printed blouse. and so comfortable. The whole day you wear it, nothing will, they'll not get crushed, they'll not, it will be so comfortable, especially in summer. Now to Doria Kota, like what I am wearing. This print is also available. It has a maroon printed blouse piece also. Similar type, I am showing you more prints. Price only 2,900 rupees, product number 21. 2,900 in pure Doria Kota. I'll show you few prints quickly. It's so comfortable. In fact, this is the first time I am wearing this one of these. It's really comfortable. With Chanderi blouse piece. This is the blouse piece with this. Navy, all the prints are very smart. $2,900 again with Chanderi printed blouse piece. So this is the blouse piece with this. Very soft, very soft. Some oranges in this. Orange and red. This is also a lovely shade. The pallu. 2,900. The pallus I've kept it geometric because the body is floral, and with this again you will get this lovely woven blouse piece in zigzag. The blouses are not in Kota, the blouses are in Chanderi. 23B, all similar color combination, these last few ranges, except the print is different. So I'm showing you the prints that is available, all single pieces. This is a bit beautiful bold print, but all in floral zari border, geometric pallu, and same the zigzag blouse. It's the opposite. This is the brighter one. Lovely shade. Actually, all the prints are very pretty when you wear them actually. These look nice after wearing. And the last one, 23C. Actually, the orange I showed you 3 prints. All are floral, but the prints are different. That's why I'm showing you, since one piece. I'm opening and showing you all the prints. See, this is the last one. Stripe pallu, and lovely printed blouse. Beautiful prints and lovely pieces. Our all-time favorite and comfort zone sarees. So that's it folks for today. Thank you so much. And just before I end the video, I want to show you this neck piece. It's with stone work. It has a jhumka with this, and the price is 3,500, the whole set. This is also available in Sanskriti. Thank you so much. Namaskar. Bhalo thakben.